Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to download or install any app, you might see the error that your app could not be installed, its integrity could not be verified. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. Then go to General, go to VPN Device Management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, just simply go back and just try to delete or uninstall that app. Then try to reinstall it again. So if you might see that the app on your home screen, just keep a long press on it and you can try to cancel the download. And once you have canceled the download, just download it again, or you can also try to remove that app completely. Then open your app store and just try to reinstall that app. So it might help you to fix the issue. Or you can also try to go to your settings here, go to general and go to software update and just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, just simply go back and go to screen time section. Go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling the restriction, just simply go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, just quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed and now you can easily install any app from your app store. I recommend you have to try to use only app store to install apps. If you're trying to use any other website or any third-party service to install any app. So I recommend you to try to use only your app store to install apps. So in the way you use your app store, you might not get these type issues. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.